He placed an old umbrella upside down on the ground firmly. Then he took some sheet metal and secured it around as a mold. Not until I watched the whole video did I realize what an expert is. In the community, the young man fills it with lots of concrete slurry and embeds 2 wire rings during the process. Then continue to fill it with the concrete slurry and wait for the next day for the mortar to fully harden. After that, the young man arrives at the site and first removes the outer iron mold. The uppermost part of the umbrella requires a triangular indentation to be cut out, which facilitates the process of pouring sand inside. The young man proceeded with the ongoing process of filling it completely with sand until it was entirely full. Subsequently, the young man then placed 4 wire rings of different sizes over the umbrella one by one. Afterward, he could mold the cement mortar into a ball and place it along the wire rings, stacking it continuously from bottom to top. So, at this point, can you guess what the young man is making? You can write your answer in the comment section to see if you guessed correctly. The very top of the umbrella is simply covered with a layer of cement mortar and smoothed out. Once it has completely solidified, the whole thing is flipped over and the umbrella inside is removed. Subsequently, proceed to apply an additional layer of cement mortar, ensuring it is smooth and evenly distributed. While allowing the cement to set, the young man transitions to the adjacent concrete ground, where he forms sand into 2 oval-shaped molds and then covers them with a lotus leaf. Following this, he applies a layer of cement mortar over the surface of the lotus leaf. Construct a form that corresponds to the leaf, and observe the intricate details presented in the video. Notice how adeptly the young man performs his task. You can tell the skill is quite exceptional. See, he quickly crafted several needed leaf shapes. Next, lift the cement basin onto the circular base and make sure it's secured well. Then, the young man expertly threads a hose through the brick openings. Fix it inside the pool with cement, and at the same time, build 2 parallelogram-shaped bricks on each side. This creates a triangular support structure. Upon completion, the young man will initially position the larger cement leaf on top. Carefully thread the hose through the central hole. It is important to mention that the young man must also tie and firmly secure the hose along a piece of rebar that has been bent into an F shape. What is this for? Let's continue to watch. As the young man carefully proceeds step by step, doesn't it now resemble the elegant shape of a swan? That's correct. Positioning the remaining 2 concrete leaf components on each side further enhances its appearance. In order to make the swan appear more realistic, several young men will bring a variety of paints to provide the entire structure with a do-it-yourself coloring treatment. Please pay attention to the details in the video. The craftsmen work tirelessly every day, starting early and finishing late, which is not easy. As the saying goes, giving a like is a kindness, not giving one is normal. If your phone still has some battery left, please kindly use your prosperous fingers to like, support, and encourage us. Your support is our motivation to continue creating. We are immensely grateful to everyone. Finally, install the pump in the center of the pond, place some pebbles, and plant some greenery with wild decorations. With that, a highly creative ornamental fish pond is successfully completed. How do you find it? Isn't it exceptionally beautiful? You must truly admire the young man's exquisite craftsmanship and remarkable skills. So, about the young man's craftsmanship, if the top score is 100, what would you rate it? Feel free to comment and leave a message.